Good afternoon, my name's Alex Webb, one of the sales executives down here at SKODA. And today I'm going to be showing you around this beautiful SKODA Karoq. So this is the SE model with the 1 litre turbocharged 115 horsepower engine. Definitely do come and have a drive of this car. It's a lot more powerful than you think. When we say 1 litre to a lot of people, they often think, oh, it's going to be very slow, very sluggish. But it is really, really awesome to drive. Every time I take somebody out in one, they always come back and go, wow, you know, incredible amount of power they managed to pull out of that little 1 litre engine. And then I'll go around, I'll show you all the condition, exterior, interior wise, all the wheels, tyres and everything as well. But this is in the lovely energy blue. Now this is the solid paint that SKODA offer, so it's the free of charge paint. It really does look really great. Really glistens actually as well. And then just to show you that next alloy wheel, loads and loads of tread left on those tyres as well. Same on the front. So overall, a really, really nicely looked after car. You've got your rear parking sensors just along the back here. And then I'll just show you inside the boot as well. The SKODA Karoq was designed as our medium-sized SUV, and it's got an absolutely huge, huge boot. Loads and loads of room inside there. Whatever it is you're taking, whether it's suitcases, prams, pushchairs, stuff for business, whatever it may be, you will be more than surprised, to be honest, at how much you can actually get inside there. You've also got those luggage hooks just at the side and the removable torch with the 12-volt charger. Really, really spacious though, and you can, if you want more space, fold down those rear seats just to give you a little bit more room. Again, just to show you the overall condition of the car down there. And then again, next alloy wheel. And you've got all that tread left on that tyre as well. So overall, a really well looked after car. For the mileage of it, it's really nice. You've then got your 3 cloth huggy seats in the back there. Again, really spacious, loads and loads of room in there. You've got the tray tables on the back of the seats. It also has a built-in cup holder as well. As I say, really nicely looked after all the way across the back there as well. You've then got that brushed silver finish just in the back. And again, just to show you inside in the front as well, you've got your full electric windows down there with your electrically heated and adjustable and folding door mirrors. Those automatic lights just down there as well. Just on the dashboard, you've got 46,038 miles. I think the car's really been well looked after for that kind of mileage. Just moving over, you've got that huge touch screen which features your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for the sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth. You've got the full climate control system, which has a different temperature for the passenger side to the driver's side. You've then got your 6-speed manual gearbox, electronic handbrake, and then the height adjustable armrest. And again, you've got those 2 cloth huggy seats, really, really nicely finished. A really lovely looking car. Again, just to show you down this outside and then that final alloy wheel down there. So thank you so much for watching the video. As I said, my name's Alex Webb. I'm one of the sales team, but you can call any of us, any of the sales team on 01905 830 361. We'll be more than happy to arrange you an appointment to come and have a view of the car, have a test drive. If you've got a vehicle you'd like valued, we'd be more than happy to do that as well. But thank you so much for watching the video, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye.